guys, what up? Back to another video. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the TARION Zone bag, and it's a pretty unique bag because it has a special little modular system inside of it, which you can customize to your needs. Stay tuned. Let's take a look at it. So I basically took this bag and I changed out my normal daily backpack, and I used this bag as my daily backpack. I am a mobile filmmaker, so a lot of the equipment and stuff that I have is very small, and it's not as big, as massive as it would be if I was using my DSLR camera or mirrorless camera. But this bag can basically handle big cameras, and again, the way you can customize the system, if you have multiple lenses, it's going to work out fantastically. And the key thing about the modular system is that you can pull the shelves out and in to fit to your needs. And again, the shock and moving around, you don't get a lot of jolting around because you got each little compartment for each little thing, which is super fantastic. And then again, that soft material, spongy material, helps for as far as shock and stuff like that goes. So I customized it to my needs. Being a mobile filmmaker, I don't need a lot of stuff, and I always have my stuff with me daily. So that's why I chose to change this bag to my daily bag and really give it a good test. I used it for about 5 days here, and at the moment I am going to continue to use it. It is a little bit bigger than the bag that I had before, but the way the compartments are and the way I customize it to my needs, just as far as daily accessories and keeping my mobile filmmaking stuff, it's fantastic. Again, this bag is really, like on their website, they talk about this bag is your bag for your way, and it is truly like a customizable bag for your needs. Again, in the top part, you do have the smaller camera bag too. For me, I didn't need that. And basically, because I don't use my big camera all the time with me, I'm always, like I said, mobile filmmaking. So I took that out, and I basically just used the open slot inside here for my daily essentials, clothing, things like that. It does have a slot for your laptop, so I slapped my laptop in the back there. So this is just my daily essential area. And then deep inside here, I have the module, which I can use to customize all my needs. Also on the module, there's these little pouches, which you can place those pouches, a little Velcro system. You can place the pouches to also where you need. And on the side of the bag, there is a little door access, so you can quickly pull out your camera if you need it. And again, there's another little Velcro section there, so you can also customize the pouches to your need on the little side pouch. One other thing though, the material on here is actually fantastic little material. I did have a day where it did drizzle a little bit and I didn't use the raincoat, and it was fantastically fine. It dried really quickly. And on the flip side, the next day it was quite warm, and the bag it had a lot of direct sunlight, and I noticed that that little material is a little bit hot to the touch if it's getting direct sunlight, and then also it being black. So that was one little kind of thing that kind of bugged me, that it was a little bit hot to the touch. Other than that, fantastic. The material some of the zippers seal so tight that it looks like it's almost waterproof, but I mean, they close really tightly that I think that it's going to be nice that the water won't get inside there. A couple of key features that I also quite enjoy are these little magnetic clips on the side. They're basically used for, like, you know, if you had a tripod mounted on the side, or which also is unique about this bag, you can mount a tripod on the bottom, and it has these clips can go on the bottom or on the sides. Super fantastic, just to get, you know, the way they slot in, and you can feel them just slipping in there. That just gives you a good feeling of knowing that it's in there pretty secure. One thing I do know, if you're not using those clips, take them off, because they tend to pop off if they bump up or brush up against something. They will pop out. I had that happen to me a couple of times, so that just, you know, caught my eye. So I basically, when they're not in use, I take the clips off and put them and store them away for when I do need them. But when I do need them, I'll just slap them on and then hook up the tripod, and boom, you're off and you're ready to go. Also, what is nice, it does also have a drink holder on the side, or it could be tripod holder, but I definitely put my drink in there. And then the front here, I notice, has another zipper that you can open up, and netting comes out. So I've also used that as also another drink bottle holder. But I think in case if you had a smaller tripod, like a travel tripod, you could probably throw that in the front there, and it'd be pretty comfortable for a fit there. Again, you got the magnetic clip on the side there, so again, if you had a tripod in there, you can loop the ring around it and pull it tight, so it'll be nice and snug inside. As far as overall comfortability, as far as wearing it, I don't wear a lot of my backpacks because I ride a bike a lot, so I have them in my little backseat bike holder. But when I did carry it, I had it on for about roughly 45 minutes to 50 minutes. It does have the chest strap to relieve a little bit of pressure on the shoulders, and it also has a waist strap, which is also pretty convenient, especially if you're going to be doing some hiking or something like that. But for me here, I'm pretty much in an urban environment. I ride my bike everywhere. And what was nice was I noticed the waist straps kept getting in the way as far as my daily use and putting it in and on and out of the bike. It kept getting hooked onto things. My headphones kept getting caught on it. So it has a little clips on the side where you can take the waistband off, which I was super excited about. And I took that off and then freed everything up as far as on the sides. And then I can still use my little clip on the front. It does have a couple little O-rings on the top there so you can clip on your keys or whatnot if you have anything that you want to clip onto there. So that works out really good. So overall, I'm really happy with this bag. It's actually a fantastic little bag. First, when I first got it, thought it was going to be a little bit overkill for me. I do have a couple of other TARION products. I also have their big hiking camera backpack, and for me that is like a little bit overkill. I rarely ever need to use that much equipment and then they've been carrying it with me. And then I have another one from them, which is it kind of opens, like it has a hard shell and opens up, and that one is a little bit too small for my needs, so this one's slotted right in the middle. So I was quite excited after using it for about a week, and I don't think I'm going to take anything out. I'm going to keep it. It's going to be my daily backpack right now. So I might try to check back in with you guys 6 months from now and see what the durability is on this, because again, this is going to be my daily bag right now. So I'm excited to see how it holds up. I've had other bags from them and most of them hold up pretty well. I haven't had any serious issues. So that's my quick look at the Zone bag here. Again, I'll have the links down in the description. Again, if you're watching this video a little bit earlier and it's still you know, not out yet, come back here. I'll keep the links updated so when it is available, and I'm quite sure you'll find some other videos out on YouTube about this bag here. So enough of my jibber jabber. Patrick Levar, for all you mobile filmmakers or filmmakers in general, keep filming. That's the only way you'll get better. I'll catch you guys in the next one. And of course, do all that jibber jabber, subscribe, like, and all that stuff. I'm so sick of saying that. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.